Right, you're welcome back. So to make this vegetable soup, we start by cooking the meat. As you can see, the meat is almost done, cooked for like about 25 to 30 minutes. So now I'll be adding some stockfish and dried shrimp, washed dried shrimp. Then I will cover it to cook for more 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, here I just added some deboned smoked fish. Stir it properly to mix up. As you can see, the water in the meat is almost dried up. We are making vegetable soup. We don't need much water in the soup. So here I just added some habanero pepper. I'm using red and yellow habanero pepper. Then added some diced onion. Then I will be adding some ground crayfish. Add some ground dawa dawa. You can use dawa dawa, you can use okpei also in this recipe. Anything you have at hand, babe. So after that, I will be adding some palm oil. Then stir it properly for all the ingredients to distribute finely. Then after stirring it, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or 7 minutes. It depends. So as you can see, it has cooked for about 10 minutes. Then now I'm going to be adding some water leaf. I am using frozen water leaf in this recipe. So frozen water leaf, washed and squeezed out. I squeezed out the water in it. Next, I will be adding some ugu leaf. I'm also using frozen ugu leaf. That's what we can get here, my dear. If you can see the fresh ugu, congratulations to you. What I can get my hands on here is frozen ugu. I washed and squeezed it also. Then I will be adding some spinach to the pot to support the ugu and the water leaf. Besides, I love spinach in my vegetable soup. So I'll be giving it a good stir so that all the ingredients will combine. I mean the vegetables, so they can combine properly with other ingredients in the pot. Now I'll be adding some seasoning cubes. I'm using none here. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I'll be adding a little salt to taste. Then I will stir it properly. Just give it a good stir for everything to mix. So after stirring it, I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. So after a few minutes, this is the soup. You can see the soup is ready, very much ready. It's vegetable soup. You don't need to overcook your vegetables. You want to still retain all the nutrients in the veggies. So just cook it 3 to 5 minutes is okay. So this soup here is ready, very much ready. You can eat it like so. You can serve it with any swallow of choice. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it with yam, anything that goes. You can enjoy your soup the way you want. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting this channel. You can watch more of our videos on YouTube. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.